What's going on, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Party Chat or create your own party on Xbox Series X or S. So it's pretty simple. What you're going to want to do first is hit the Xbox button. You're going to want to go over to Parties and Chats. If you have any chat requests or anything like that, you can just go down there and click on those. But let's see here. So in order to start a party, what you can do is you can come up here and just click Start Party. And from here, you can invite people to your game up here online or offline. Invite more. Yeah, you can go down and invite as many people as you want. You can invite people to your game, max 15 people. So I guess not as many as you want, but you get the gist. Options like invite only and other things like mute, switch to game chat and stuff like that. Show text, or you can leave. Another thing you can do is from here, go over to people, and the people that you have online right then, you can just go down to whichever you want, and you can click on them and invite them. Let's see here, or you can join their party as well. But I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.